This is the FusionFox HCM Essential Module Application Stack. In this video, we will have a short overview of this module, starting from Employee Profile. This employee profile covers all the information about an employee that includes job-related information, personal information, contact information, reporting manager, backup and dotted line manager. It also has integrated tag cloud to assign tags to the employee based on various criteria. It includes more information such as employee salary and compensation-related information, leave entitlements, dependent information, multiple IDs you can maintain here, such as passport details, the residence permit details, tax IDs, and also driver's license-related information. Integrated document repository to maintain all the documents related to the employee. Under this assignment link, you can maintain multiple assignments of the employee. For example, one employee was earlier working in a different department or in a different location, so the history of the assignments can be maintained. Non-incumbent employees' information can also be maintained. If they are on contract through a manpower contractor, then you can link contractor with these custom details to add more information. Cost element-related information can also be maintained here. This application is also used for the onboarding process to onboard a new employee. We will now move to Employee Contracts Management, where we can define multiple contracts for the employee, and we can renew a contract through this application. Also, we can revise the compensation of an employee. Leave eligibility criteria can also be updated from this system. We can also maintain information about the temporary employee or part-time employees. We can define the FTE and how many hours a day any specific non-incumbent employee or temporary employee is working. Work schedule, on which days they work and on which day they don't work. For example, this employee does not work on Friday, so it's a part-time employee. If these non-incumbent employees or temporary employees or part-time employees are on contract through a contractor or manpower agent, then you can define the contractor name, billing rates, units, and all the other important information. After that, we have compensation and cost-related information, where we can configure all cost and compensation benefits, which will be assigned to an employee, such as base pay, housing, transportation allowance, incentives, deductions, and also the cost elements. We can also define tax-related components. So whatever your organization's methodology is to compensate employees, it can be configured here. These components can be configured as per your requirement, and you can create multiple components here and then assign these to the employee. Then we have leave assignments and rules, where we can create different types of leaves and define the rules, accrual logics, and criteria. Mass Entitlement Management is the application to insert leaves or compensation-related components or cost elements to multiple employees in one go. It reduces and optimizes the data entry effort. Organization Snapshot covers various things. You can have a view of location, department, position, project, etc. So let's say we want to view position-wise snapshot. Here, I can view the employee based on position. For example, select Analyst. We have 4 analysts in the system. We can also get more details by clicking on this button. The employee card will appear, which will give us more information about the contact, reporting manager, experience, and so on. Organization View will give us the ability to drill down in the organization from top to bottom. You can also change the view of this drill down by clicking on this button. We can make it vertical like this. Then we can further maximize the view and increase the size. You can view it the way you like. You can also change the view from a particular node, so that you can see the hierarchy or the reporting structure below this level. Then you can plug in again to the main structure this way. You have multiple views available here. Other than this, you can also have a star view of the organization like this. and so on. Then we have Employee Global HR Dashboard, where we can look at the employee structure and the strength in the organization at group level. So this is a consolidated view to the global HR to have a look at strength in different locations. For example, 51 people were on board. Also, you can see location-wise breakup of the manpower and the compensation. Then you can see grade-wise and position-wise strength. You can see category-wise employees, and you have an option to flip this and see the actual data. Here you can see the card of these employees. You can change the department to logistics and see how many people are there in the logistics department. You can also see the location-wise strength. So other than this, we have one dashboard for local HR, where location-specific HR representatives can see the information about the employees in that particular location. This dashboard covers all the location-specific related information. Then we have offboarding management, where employees can be offboarded from the system. Other than that, employee data analytics is to help people generate different types of analysis and create on-demand reporting. For example, you want to create a report and you want to select columns only. Then, you can choose the columns as per your requirement. For example, employee ID, first name, last name, job title, department, location, hire date, hiring reason, and so on. In this way, I can control the view and I can see only that information which is relevant to me. I can also filter these employees by pressing this button, and then I can select all the employees in corporate office only. Now you can see that it will show me all the employees in the corporate office only. I can then export it to an Excel sheet. I can also control the sorting on any column. I can sort the data, and then I can export it to an Excel file. From different perspectives, we have 6 data analytics available, which can be applied on the employee data. That's all we have in this overview. Thanks for watching.